Right, now the glycol system has been filled up with blood, and I just opened the return as well. All the air will be evacuated through the air eliminator, and that air went over there. The glycol feeder pressurized it to around 14 psi, which is what we want in the system. There are no leaks, which is always a good thing. Now the electrical, the snow melt control is on, relay on, pump relay is on, everything wired up, nice and pretty. Here comes the testing of the system. We are going to override the controls because it's too warm for this little snow melt sensor, which is not even installed yet in the driveway, since they're working on the driveway, but it is hooked up indoors. It will not call for heat, obviously, because it's like 30 degrees in this basement. So I will override it, and I will maximum override, and let's see. Yes, it's calling for heat. The circulator is pumping. I can hear there is still air in the system. It will work it out. The boiler is not hooked up yet. That's the next stop. Okay, I hooked up the boiler as well. So let's test the system one more time. Power on. There's no smoke. It's usually a good thing. The boiler is turning on. Alright, now again, let's do the override thing. Override, we select max. And the boiler is on as well. You can see it's calling for heat. It will not fire since there's no gas or venting done yet. But at least we know that the wiring and the hydronics is working as it should. So we are done. Okay, a few words about the system. There is tubing embedded in the driveway. Eventually that snow melt sensor will also be installed in the driveway, informing the controls if it is cold and wet, meaning there is snow or ice on the driveway. Cold meaning it's below freezing point, and it will start the melt cycle. It will call for heat on the boiler, start all the circulating pumps, and it will start circulating the 50% propylene glycol water solution in the driveway until the snow or ice is melted, the driveway is dry, upon which it will turn off and go into standby mode and wait for the next snowfall. So this is, by the way, a 100,000 BTU Lars Mascot boiler. That is more than enough for this about 400 square foot snow melt, which required 60,000 BTU, 150 BTU per square foot to run. So poor boiler is trying to turn on. Eventually it will error out and give up, but everything is working as advertised.